us some trades, please. Get us some profit. Colin, if you watched any of my shows, I've always told you, you gotta make your own decision first of all. I don't want anyone to really copy trade me. Second of all, you make money in this market.
Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Yo! Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, so far, the same thing happened again the last 2 times. We still can't get over 24-4. Sorry, it's 24-2. We'll talk about this morning, but happy days, happy days. My guy Tino, what's going on, guys? Last $5 stimmy is back up to 250. Nice. What's going on, man? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're gonna jump into it in a second, man. Come on. Come on, man. Yo! What's going on, guys? You guys said you can't hear me, man. What's going on, man? We're getting a pump. 24,055. Let's get it, man. All right, we're still below that 24.2 level, so let's not get too carried away just yet. But we got some good news coming in today. Yes, inflation is still high, but we're starting to see that curve start to come back down to the downside, which has coincidentally, so far, had Bitcoin come to the upside. Ethereum came back up and broke its highs today, and everything in between. What's going on, Neil? What's going on? What's going on, Strawberry Interactive? What's up, buddy? All right, we're going to jump on in today. We're not going to waste any time this morning. Ethereum at 1831. So Ethereum came up and smacked the highs. That was absolutely ridiculous to that up to the highs. And then Bitcoin still just kind of chilling at 24,000. Really just at 24,000. We got to get back over this consistently. I mean, listen, man. I mean, we got to get back over that freaking resistance, right? But once again, I mean, everyone gets bearish right before the news events, and it's a classic sell the rumor, buy the news again for the 3rd time in a row, just like we talked about yesterday. So far, so good. Like I said, we're not out of the woods yet until we break 24.2. Yeah, but if we get back above that, things are looking pretty good. We're going to talk about that today. It's a good day, man. It's a good day so far. We'll see if it continues and things like that. What's going on, QM? QM said moon tomorrow. What's going on? All right, you know what? We got to play the arbitrary pump song, man. And I can't even hear the pump song. You guys probably can't even hear it too. Hold on, let me fix this. Boom. There we go. Come on, man. I'm not gonna make that weird face that I did the other day. Come on. Come on. What's up, Lupus? Bathwater said air pump for more gains. Come on, air pump. Air pump it. No, but let's talk about what we got here. So, guys, we've been talking about this ascending triangle pattern for BTC right here, right? We got the first hit back in the July CPI. Second hit, July rate hike. We got dumps before, pumps after. Dumps before, pumps after. Dumps before. We come back down, test that trend line again. We got the bounce off the trend line, but we got to break 24.2, man. If we break 24.2, All right, listen, guys, I'm not a huge fan of measured moves. I'm definitely not a huge fan of measured moves. But if we take the measure move from the swing high to the swing low of the ascending triangle, bring it back to the upside, that measure move does put us, if we do break out, we got to break out. So don't think we're instantly out of the woods until we break out before. But that measure move does get us to that 29.5 K level to the upside. If that potentially does break out to the upside. Now, we have the news on our side so far, at least for the next month or so. I think all the bearish news is kind of out the window, bearing some like some China evades Taiwan or something like that. You know what I mean? Which you can't really predict, I guess. But, you know, that is looking pretty freaking juicy, my man. It is. It is.
Strap up.
Right?
We're going to the moon.
It freaking is. Now, Jabba right now, he's not having a good time in his room, guys. I want to quickly show you what Jabba's doing right now, and then we'll jump on into some juicy, juicy stuff that I'm looking at. Let me show you guys what Jabba's doing right now. He's not doing too well. All right? I'll be right back. No! No! Give me it back! Give me it back! No! That's my favorite Lambo! Come on! It's my last one! Please, please! Savvy, can you bail me out? Savvy! Savvy, I can't lose my Lambo! Please, help me! Give me some more money for Bybit! Quick! Quick! No! No! Savvy! You told me 3K! Friggin' Savvy! I will find you! Oh, man. Alright, so Jabba, so far, is Lambo gets repoed. We'll see if he's able to get it back, but right now he's not having a good time. He's not having a very good time over there. He's not. Horse Guy's in shambles, too. We'll probably visit Horse Guy in a little bit. He's absolutely in shambles right now. He's been just eating hay all morning. Okay, anyways, let's jump back into this. So, we're starting to sit at 24K. I will say, be careful here. Even though I am feeling still the feeling in my Gymboree still. Be careful here, because we do have vector candles on the 15-minute all the way back down to the lows here. So, you know, we did get a big volume spike that pushed us up to the upside. But are they going to bring up right back down? It's obviously something that we got to keep an eye on going forward. That could be a possibility. So don't think we're out of the woods yet. Until Bitcoin can get closes above 24.2, I would not think we're out of the woods just yet. Okay, I hope we get a pump on stream, though. That would be freaking awesome. Anyways, what else do we got? I want to show you guys a couple different things. So, obviously, 24,252 is the exact level I'm watching. That's the previous peak here from July 20th. Previous peak right here from August 8th. Right? If we get back above that, we obviously got 24,659 that we got to get back above of. But so far so good, right? We still got to break those. So, once again, we're not out of the woods just yet. Okay? But we see this little clear light that is poking out of the woods here. Okay, this very, very small clear light that is shining through the door, as we like to see it, man. Horse Guy should be pumped. No, he sold his whole portfolio yesterday because he thought the CPI was going to be bearish. You know what I mean? So he sold his whole portfolio yesterday. That's why he's in shambles, man. He's absolutely in shambles. Bathboy, what's going on, man? What's going on? All right. Now, I'm not going to troll the bears and the bottom dwellers just yet. Okay, now there'll be a point where I troll the bears and the bottom dwellers. Okay, there will be a point to that trolling Jordan will come out. Trolling Jordan will come out probably when we break this to the upside. There's obviously some good things going on in the charts here. If we actually go over to ETH real quick, and we actually look at ETH on the weekly time frame, we got to see where the weekly close is. But look where ETH is poking its little head out of. The things that we've been talking about for a couple weeks now is the downtrend of the RSI, man. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. Looks like ETH is about to smack that. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that above there. And we know when that breaks out, price action usually breaks out right after. All right, so we got to see where we close on Sunday. We still got a long week to go. We still got all of today, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But that is a nice sign there. For Ethereum, if we can obviously continue the momentum that we have right now, that's obviously a good sign. We also were able to break back above the closes. The wicks down here from last summer. these previous closes that were acting as resistance, we're able to get back above that for Ethereum too. So ETH is looking pretty juicy at the moment, at least on the weekly time frame. Looking pretty juicy, man. Let's see. Waterfly said, okay, chill, Samab. I already had 2 glasses of coffee. What are you guys drinking this morning? You guys drinking beers? You guys drinking some coffees? What are you guys drinking on this beautiful Wednesday morning, man? What's going on? Let's see. Let's see. How is Bottom Dweller doing lately? Bottom Dweller, we'll check out on all the family members and everyone tonight. But they are all doing pretty good. We'll check on Horse Guy later in the stream too. He's in shambles, man. I'm telling you right now, he's in absolute shambles. What else do we got? Let's see. So we're still sitting there. Bitcoin on the daily time frame also. I mean, it's sort of the same pattern that I had on the daily. We're at the end of the guys. Here's the thing. I don't want to get too carried away just yet. I want to get carried away, but we're still at a point where we haven't broken out yet. Okay, if you look at here for a couple different things, Bitcoin not only is still below 24,250, which we need to get back above 24,250, preferably on a daily close. We're still in a rising wedge, which is still typically a bearish pattern. So let's not get too carried away. Once again, until we break this uptrend of resistance, because we're still in bearish patterns. Whether you want this to be a bear flag or quite frankly a rising wedge, we're still in it. All right, we haven't broken out yet. So let's pay attention to that. And right here, right, this horizontal resistance on the daily time frame, which acts as resistance once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times, you find yourself chilling right at that resistance again. So we are still at very key levels that we have to break before we get, over the top, to the moon. Like, holy crap, we're going to the freaking moon, right? We start throwing the moon helmet on. Actually, let me ask you guys in the chat. What should be the price level, okay, that we put the moon helmet on? I'm saying 24,250 on a daily close. But what do you guys think? You guys agree? 24,250 on a daily close equals moon helmet time? I'm down. Let me know. Let me know, man. Let me freaking know. John said we haven't gone anywhere yet. Facts. That's what I just said. All right. Bobo. 30K? 30K? Oh, come on. I'm not waiting that long. I'm feeling, I don't want to wait till 30K. If we break 24.5, all right, 24,550 on a close. Okay, I get that. I get that from the wick perspective. So you guys want to basically break the previous wick on a daily close. I think that's fair. We'll take that. 24.5 on a daily close. It's moon helmet time, man. All right, that's what we're doing. Check the weekly vector candle at 26K. Yeah, we'll check that out too. 69K like last year. Oh Lord. All right, so that is not looking too shabby at the moment, my friends. So yeah, I mean, now we wait till 24,250 breaks. Now there's a couple good signs. The DXY, real quick on the DXY. The DXY is breaking this trend line since the first time since January, man. We got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. I think this is more important than Bitcoin breaking down, or breaking up. Is the DXY is now looking to break to the downside. We need to wait for a daily close. But if the DXY closes below this level, that is a great sign for any type of risk-on asset. Whether it's stocks, crypto, you name it. We break this trend line here. That is super juicy. And not only that, looks like we are breaking that 50 EMA that we talked about too. Like I said, we need to see a little bit more momentum here. I'm not quite sold on this dumping just yet. I want to see a little bit more dumpy dump on this, but that's not looking too shabby. Look at the stock market, man. Look at the stock market. Holy moly, man. This is a good sign for crypto as well, man. You got the S&P 500 breaking resistance. That is a massive move for crypto. You got the NASDAQ. What's the NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ once again breaking resistance. Up about 2% already on the freaking day. All right, so those are really good signs too. We broke out in the NASDAQ the other day, but anyways. We broke out on the NASDAQ, actually 2 days ago. So just be careful here. Once again, on the NASDAQ, man, we need to see the daily close. We can get excited right now, but be patient because we got to wait for the daily close on these things. If we get daily closes above these key levels that we're talking about, that's very, very good sign for, really, really Bitcoin if the NASDAQ continue to break out, okay? NASDAQ's right here, man. So it's above basically this whole bear market resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Now you're breaking it. You got to get the daily close, though. I will say again. So across the board, I mean, it's not just crypto. Stock markets are looking good. DXY is coming down. Everything's looking relatively good at the moment, but we got to be patient for the close, okay? Be patient for the close, guys. Bitcoin still just chilling, 2450. Seems to be kind of just consolidating, hopefully consolidating and not distributing right here at the 24K level. And Ethereum still at 1833. Dude, Ethereum's up almost 8% on a day already, man. We still got a long way to go. So that's juicy stuff. Total market cap. Hey, man, you got to take it for total market cap. Total market cap 1.11 trillion. The key was getting back above the 200 EMA on a close. So far, so good on this. Once again, we want to see a little bit more momentum, but I will tell you, last time, we're waiting for the full body close. So if this week closes above the 200 EMA with a pretty convincing candle, okay, the last time we did that, the last couple times was March of 2020, right here. You obviously know what happened after that. And 2018, right here, you guys obviously know what happened after that as well, all right? So not too freaking shabby on that. Once again, we got to wait for the weekly close on that one, but that one is looking pretty freaking juicy as it stands, right? As it stands at the current moment, man. I totally horse guy that sold ETH at 1350. Hey, man, hopefully you at least made some profits. You know what I mean? Hopefully you at least made some profits. I will say this, man. I will say this. Nothing has changed just yet, but here's what I will say. Quick rant alert.
Rant alert.
Okay? Dude, why is my buttons all jacked? It's so annoying, man. I don't change anything, and then my buttons get all type of jacked up. Okay? And I'm not talking about no. We're not talking about those buttons. But I will say this. Okay?
Rant alert.
Okay? I'm seeing a lot of disbelief in people that are upset that the market is coming up right now. Okay? I go on Twitter. Yesterday, every single big Twitter trader was calling for a dump today. Every single one. Now I see him today. Oh, this pump ain't real. Okay? They're saying the same thing. You guys know I'm going to bring out Mouse Guy. Okay? I'm going to bring out Mouse Guy, man. I'm seeing a lot of disbelief and actually people upset that we're pumping right now. Okay? Not everyone, but I'm seeing a lot of it. Right? Oh, CPI, we're dumping. We're dumping. This pump ain't real. This pump ain't real, bro. No. Oh, we're going back down. This is a fake pump. Listen, I'm seeing a lot of people upset, a lot of people in disbelief, and that's what you want to see on these moves. Okay? You want to see a lot of disbelief. You want to see people upset. Why? Because you don't want to see everyone excited. If you see everyone excited, that means everyone get on the move. If you have people in disbelief and you have people that are upset about the pump, that means a lot of people got left on the sidelines, man. Okay? Now, I told you guys, we're not out of the woods just yet. Okay? But I do like the disbelief that I'm seeing. Okay? I'm seeing a lot of freaking disbelief. Okay? A lot of disbelief. That's just a simple fact. I know that probably touching a lot of people's hearts and probably pissing a lot of people off for me to say, but that's the honest truth. That's the honest truth. Just like when the market pumps and it starts dumping, right? That's why sometimes the bulls get pissed. Like, oh, no, we're going back up. It's just a dip. It's the same thing. Oh, it's just a dip. It's just a dip. It's the same type of deal, right? I'll stop doing that, okay? You could tell Jordan worked in Disneyland. It's the same thing. So, listen, like I said, we got to break it back above 24,250 for me to get really trolly. I'm not quite at peak trolliness yet. I'm not going to get full moon boy until we break that level on a close. But I do like what I'm seeing. I like the saltiness that I'm seeing on this pump. I do like the saltiness that I'm seeing as it stands right now. Jonathan said, I'm going to short. Don't pump it. You touched my heart. It is what it is. The Jordan just joined the Mouseketeers. It is what it is. Let's see. All right, let's continue on. Lewis, we usually don't do characters in the morning, man, so I appreciate that you even getting some. Because I'm not awake enough to do that. Anyways, let's jump on over here. So, what else do we got? So, Bitcoin on the weekly downtrend of resistance, right here. Okay, right here. 1, 2, 3 touches. You're coming back up. Okay, you're coming back up to test this. Once again, just like Ethereum, which you see an Ethereum poke over right now. You want to see Bitcoin start to poke over this too. You're not quite yet there for Bitcoin, but you're knocking on the door. You're definitely knocking on the door, my man. Javier said, I'm salty and I can say it. At least you admit it, man. It's okay. I've been salty before too, just the opposite situation. All right? So I get it. I've been there too, man. It is what it is. I do think that we're going to go back down and test the lows at some point, though. As I always say, bear markets are always double bottoms. Okay? You're never just going to see a straight up moonshot to the upside. At some point, I do think that we're going to go back down and test the 19K, 20K level. Whether it happens now, whether it happens a couple weeks from now, a couple months from now, I don't know. But I do think we come back down there and test at some point. All right? So for everyone that's kind of like, oh shit, based off of previous markets, we always double bottom. All right? So take that for what you will. All right, so that's what we're looking at the moment. I will say this again, man. Our Madrid ribbon. I know you guys love my Madrid ribbon indicator, okay? But every single time we end up getting back into the Madrid ribbon and we hold the bottom of the Madrid ribbon, we end up coming back up to the upside, man. Okay? This is on the weekly time frame. We drop below it here, big wick down. We get back into the Madrid ribbon. We're off to the races after that. Okay? Back here in 2018, we get back into the Madrid ribbon. We hold it as support. We're off to the races after that. Okay? And that's really the only two markets I care about. I mean, you can even argue in 2019, you drop below, get back in, you're off to the races. So, I mean, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I can look at really a lot of different things at the moment. Now, the big one I'm watching is the market cipher, the 2-week market cipher cross right here. Okay? You're still a little bit, you still got room to go there. You're not quite there yet. It's actually on the Heikinashi candles. On the regular candles, you are so freaking close, man. I told you guys, if you close this 2-week candle green, you're going to see the 2-week market cipher flip. And I told you guys, like, it's going to close on Sunday, so we still got a long week to go. But the last 2 times we got that flip, when the momentum was this low, okay? For all your market cipher fans out there, this is obviously the free one, but it works nonetheless. Right here, this was the last time you got the flip back here in 2019, right there. And the times before that were right here. You did do a double bottom like we've been talking about. And right here, okay? Right at the lows. So take it for what you will. We haven't got the cross yet, but we are awfully close. But we're not there yet. So I don't want to be getting ahead of myself, but because we did get a little fake out right here in March where we came back up. We almost flipped, but we dumped back down. So wait for the confirmation on the close, which is coming on Sunday. All right, which is coming on Sunday, man. So that's pretty nice as we go along. Bitcoin still just chilling. ETH just 1835 just keeps on rolling here, man. ETH just looking juicy, bro. What's going on, QM? Yeah, guys, if you can like up the stream for your boy, it helps out a lot. Can we hit 500 likes on the morning streams? That would be freaking awesome. Thanks for hanging out. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Like I said, if I know everyone's not on the correct side of every single trade or every single move, just know that there's always another opportunity. All right, so take that for what you will. There's just as good a chance that Bitcoin comes back down and turns back down as long as we're below 24,250. All right, so don't think we're out of the woods just yet, my friends. All right, so I think that's pretty much what I had on BTC at the moment, guys. Right now, we're kind of just waiting for that breakout, as we do like to say. We like breakouts here, man. Let's see. Is whole market on vacation because action is so boring? Whole market on vacation? It might be. It might be. NASDAQ still chilling right now. Nothing really happening at the moment, guys. We're still just waiting. Still just waiting. Well, I guess you could say that while the market's on vacation. All right, let's go. We check out some alts. Should we check out some alts? Right? The Wu Manchu indicator is a better indicator than when you add up. The Wu Manchu. The Wu Manchu. The Wu Manchu. All right, let's let me get off this. There we go. There we go, my man. You said the pump for ants? So far. I mean, I wouldn't really say a pump for ants. I mean, ETH is up almost 8%. So I wouldn't really say a pump for ants. If you're talking about Bitcoin, yes, I guess so far. But I wouldn't say a pump for ants for altcoins. All right, let's go check out alts. So, I mean, we got a couple alts that are breaking highs. I will say, don't get too excited on alts until Bitcoin breaks out. But you got Near Protocol breaking the highs. Let's get a freaking going on Near, man. Near is never going to give me an opportunity. Near will never, ever give me an opportunity to get in. I should have did it the other day when we had this dip down here to 521. You guys know I was still relatively bullish, and I didn't take advantage. So I mean, it is what it is. Pump song for Near. Looks like Near is getting a nice pump to the upside. You got to love the pumpage. Come on, man. But just be careful. It could be a slight deviation. So yes, we're gonna celebrate, but as always, guys, as always, I don't recommend FOMOing, my man. You're still right at resistance, so let's get it though. Let's get it. Bitcoin chilling. ETH, just making sure I keep an eye on BTC here. But Near's right at resistance, man. I was gonna buy it at $5, never got there. I think me too. I think I was gonna buy it on this. I was looking for a retracement back down here, but it never came. So I guess that is what it is. That's what I guess for being a bottom dweller on Near, man. I guess that's it. Drew, what's going on, man? We gone? We gone. Drew was right too yesterday. Drew, we called it, man. Come on, bro. Let's get it. All right. Dot also breaking highs. I would say be careful in the deviation plays here, guys. We're getting slight moves above the previous resistance points, but you obviously gotta pay attention because not only is Bitcoin right at resistance, but you got say Near right at resistance, Dot right at resistance. Right? If Dot breaks this level right here, we're looking at 1020 on Polkadot coming back up to the upside. So that is not too shabby whatsoever. You do got some bearish divergence popping up though. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame, right here. Hold on, man. Why is this stuck right here? There we go. You do got some bearish div. As it stands right now, you got lower highs, higher highs. This could easily be nullified if Bitcoin wants to get another rip to the upside, though. So keep that in mind. The move is not officially over just yet. Not confirmed, but there is bearish div on the charts, so make sure we're paying attention to that. Do we like the upward? If we like the upward sloping cup and handle patterns, there it is, my man. There's the upward sloping cup and handle pattern. You got the 3 touches on the bottom side. You got the rounded out, the back test of the 50 EMA. Now you just need to break that upward sloping cup and handle pattern, man. All right. Now you need to break that. See what Bitcoin's doing. 23,930. See what Bitcoin comes back down to right now, guys. Let's keep an eye on BTC because we do got these vector candles back down here. We failed to break 24.2. Okay. So let's see what Bitcoin does. I'm actually going to go to the shorter term time frames, like the 5-minute here, because we do like the 5-minute time frame. If we know what I mean, my friends. If you know what I freaking mean. All right, here we go. 23,886. Let's see what we do here, guys. Let's see what we do. DXY still dropping. That's a good sign at the moment. NASDAQ still holding up 2.2%. S&P still up 1.7%. Still above those highs. S&P is getting it back above that 200-day EMA as well. So that's a good sign for a couple other things besides BTC. Looks like we came back down, tested the 50 EMA. Or sorry, the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Let's see if we can hold that as support, guys. Everyone's saying dump it. I think it's a little bit too early to say dump it, but that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. Ba 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 da ba ba. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what the rock is cooking, man. You love the 5 minutes, Sid Lewis? I love the 5 minute too. You get to see some crazy volatility in the 5 minute chart. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Come on, Jelly Beans. S&P is forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern. It is. If it can't break out right here and it comes back down, you do got the inverted head and shoulders pattern. But if it continues up, I mean, it's all for naught. I would definitely love to see that, though. All right, here we go. 23.928. It's a retrace. It has to retrace. We'll find out, man. We'll find out. I mean, I agree. I mean, you get big pumps. You're not just going to go boop, 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 boop. Right? I mean, if it does, I mean, awesome. Awesome. Expect volatility today, right? So if they do spike it back down, just to spike it back up, I would not be surprised whatsoever, right? You know, probably a lot of people long in the news here. If they spike it back down and take this liquidity down here, hit a lot of stop losses for the late longers right here, and then spike it back up, that would be the ultimate. That would be the ultimate play. But we'll see what they want to do. You will definitely see what they want to do here, guys. Do you use the ball bubble? I don't use the ball bubble, you know? I definitely don't use the ball bubble, man. I will say that. All right, any alts do anything? I mean, AVAX pumped today. AVAX still just right at the highs. Don't get too comfortable. You just have for AVAX. I mean, a lot of these altcoins are still in rising wedge formations, guys, so just be careful. Like, yes, we're pumping, but we're still in a lot of macro bearish patterns, okay? As much as I want to see everything pump, you're just in a bunch of macro bearish patterns. If these do break to the upside, though, I mean, that just shows bullishness in the market. But be careful here. All right, look at Near. Holy Near. Holy. Here comes Near, man. Up almost 12%. Blast up to the highs. New highs for Near. There it is. 596. We just looked at Near and it broke that resistance just as we looked at it, man. Holy moly, man. My wedgie is still rising too. Of course it is, P-Water. Of course it is. It's up 11%. You gotta love it. Come on. Look at Near, man. AVAX looking pretty decent. I mean, Bitcoin just chilling here is going to allow some altcoins to take charge here. Let's see. Uniswap. Someone in the Discord today was like, I'm so pissed I didn't short Uni. Well, I'm glad you didn't now. You're probably very happy you didn't now. So here comes Uniswap. Uniswap's coming back up to the highs. Still in a range, though. Still in the range. You got to get back above like 929. But Uniswap is looking ultra juicy. Uniswap gets it back above there. If it does. Keyword if. A lot of these things are ifs, guys. Let's take the swing high to the swing low. And then, I mean, is it 1.618 season? Are we really at 1.618 season? It could be. It could be. We'll find out. We're looking at 1107 as the 1.618 Fibonacci extension there. You guys know I love the 1.618. That is a very, very nice number for me. Usually you're always going to find that wherever you have the previous high, you take the previous swing low, you're going to usually get some resistance at the 1.618. So 1107 if little Uniswap can break there. Can break. Bitcoin's still chilling. Still chilling like a millin. It's not really in any type of pattern. I guess we can draw something like this to at least watch for a breakout. Something like that. And we can at least watch, I don't know. I guess there's no really confirmed bottom part of this yet. So we'll wait. But I'll at least draw something like that so we at least can see we have a breakout point where if we want to break out. ETH still chilling, 1828. Let's zoom in a little bit on ETH. Let's go to like the 15-minute on ETH. Yeah, ETH just getting a slight pullback. Just resetting some of the indicators, man. I mean, 15-minute was cooked. So you're resetting the 15-minute on a lot of these charts. Yeah, 15-minute, 5-minute reset on BTC. We'll see what happens here, guys. Potato wedges. Gala needs to be checked. You guys gonna tell me Gala's pumping? Yeah, Gala. I mean, you guys know I'm been a fan of Gala. Gala's up about 5%. I mean, hasn't seen the really big impulse. But you are sitting. Gala's still got a little work to do. But let me actually just clear this out. I'm gonna keep my Gala chart up. I mean, so far it's a nice structure, but you got to break. I'm really looking to break 6.6, man. You know, you still got a little work to do. You still got a lot of work to do for Gala. You're at 6.2. You got to break 6.6, which is the previous high. You got the 4-hour stocks pointing to the upside. That's not looking too shabby at the moment, man. Let's see. Horse guy about to FOMO. Oh, you don't want to know what Horse guy's doing. He's in absolute shambles here this morning, guys.
No, Jordan, I don't want to go on stream. No, I am ashamed. I am so ashamed of myself. I sold yesterday on the CPI news. No, don't make me go on. No. Guys, that's me. I sold my whole portfolio yesterday. All the crypto Twitter traders, they all told me we were gonna dump today. Trader SC, Crypto Cable, Profit Blue, they all told me we were going to dump. Now I'm screwed. This is manipulation. They all longed while retail dumped. This is literally manipulation by crypto Twitter. You got to be kidding me. Help, I need some hay.
He's in shambles, man. Absolute shambles right now. You don't, I panic still. He's in shambles right now. No, but Gala's got some work to do. We'll see if Gala can get back up to the upside. I mean, I've been telling you guys, I like the structure of Gala, the W formation, the back test of the W. Now you just need to see that rise. I love the longer term charts for Gala though. You zoom out, you got pretty much the same structure that you saw at the end of last year before Gala went on a nice run to the upside. So you guys know I like Gala, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on Gala there. But Gala's not looking too shabby. We going to 23.6? 23.6. 23.6 is an interesting level for sure. Right now we're trying to pull these previous highs. We're trying to hold as support right now. We're definitely trying to hold those as support as we speak, guys. Need prices to go lower. Need to keep buying. I think that's what everyone wants, man. I think a lot of people are in stables right now. A lot of people are in stable coins, which is fine, man. Listen, I told you guys, like, whatever we do in the short term, which I do think that we go higher here in the short term. Samantha, you gotta chill, my man. All right, Samantha, I am banning you. Samantha, you gotta stop trolling the chat, man. You get one more chance because I'm a nice guy, okay? I'm gonna give you one more chance. I don't want to. Who freed Samantha? He said who freed Samantha in the chat. I don't want to man you, man. Permanently. You get one more chance. Stop spamming the chat, man. Like, what do you think this is? What do you think this is, my man? Holy moly. Chill, man. Chill. All right. I stand with Samantha. All right. What else we got? Someone said check out Link. Oh, look at Link. Come on, man. Just freaking get rid of him. No, but we'll talk about it in a second. Hold on. Imagine being Jordan's neighbor. Come on, man. CryptoStar said not good. But no. Link, it's fine if Link pumps as long as the rest of the market is pumping too. Okay, that's the key point. It's fine if Link pumps as long as the rest of the market is pumping. What we need to look out for is if Link pumps without the rest of the market. Okay? That's what we need to pay attention to. I will say again. Okay? That's it. If Link pumps during the rest of the market, it's fine. If Link pumps while everything else is down, that's a warning sign. It's good right now because the whole market is looking pretty good. So that's fine. That's fine. Don't get too carried away. No, I do think Link which is, look at Link, man. Link is looking to smack this, and this is what I said, guys. This is exactly what I said. Rising wedges have a 68% chance to move to the downside, okay? You have the rising wedge right here. It's breaking to the upside. If a rising wedge breaks to the upside, that shows the bullishness of the market, okay? Okay? That is it. That is it. If this, yes, it has a higher chance to move to the downside, but it's based on probabilities, right? And we know a lot of these altcoins are in rising wedges. So that is very, very nice. 965 is the next target, which is basically, if you zoom out, what's this giant formation that Link is forming right now, guys? What's the giant formation? Tell me in the chat. What is this giant formation that Link is forming at the moment? What is it, man? What is it? Link rising wedge going down? Only if it wicks up today. If it wicks up and it comes back down, yes, I would agree. I would definitely agree. What's this giant formation? What is it? For all my Tino fans out there, what is it, man? What is it? Someone can answer for me in the chat. What is it? No, not cup and handle. What is it? There it is. You know what this is, man. This is an ultimate. Hit to the downside, rise. Hit to the downside, rise, man. Beautiful W formation. Only if it can break 965. Okay? That is absolutely textbook. Textbook. Only if it can break out, though. So let's wait for the breakout. Wait for 965. If that breaks, we're going to the 200-day EMA, man. 1128. So Link is looking very, very juicy. Very, very juicy. Let's go back to BTC. BTC still just chilling at this 20 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Still just chilling. Ethereum, still just chilling. Chilling like a villain at 1830. It's allowing some altcoins to come up. Link. How is this not... All right, how are you going to tell me this is not a W formation? Come on, cryptos aren't us. It's literally a textbook formation. It doesn't have to be like a... Boop, 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 boop. It's literally the same thing. You hit to the downside, rise. You curl back to the upside. It's W formation. This is clearly a W formation, man. Like, what else would it be? An R formation? Come on, man. All right, anyways. Let's look at this. Matic. Actually, you guys sent some super chats in. Let me see. Rich said, can you check out Adam? We got an R formation in the chat. Someone said it's an R formation.
Jordan, that's clearly an R formation. That's an R. Look. I'll show you how it's an R. You got the R. Da. There it is. R formation. See, I know my letters. Mom, I'm learning. I'm finally learning letters and I'm 35.
Oh, man. The R formation. I know, but let's see. The Steve formation. The Steve formation. Anyways. Let's continue on. So, Matic. An upside down M. All right, Matic. Let's go check out Matic real quick. So we know Matic broke trend the other day. Matic broke trend, right? 1, 2, 3 touches. What we want to see from Matic as it's starting to come back up. Okay, because we did get rejected there. We came back down on Matic. We sort of said yesterday, all right, I expect a rise on Matic. We're getting that rise on Matic, but we need to get back over this previous support. And we don't want to flip this as resistance here. Okay, so if Matic starts to curl back to the upside here, okay, we need to get back over this. Okay, as long as we stay back below that, you're still a break a trend. And you're looking at it's still the same. Nothing's really changed on Matic if that happens like that. All right, so keep an eye on that. We did get the 4-hour stock cross on Matic. Daily chart looks fine at the moment. Nothing really crazy on the daily. I mean, overall, yeah, it's nothing really crazy on Matic here. What I'd say is this. Let me take this off. On Matic, come down like this. Say wait for just a breakout, a short-term trend, which you're right at right now. A lot of these alts are just going to be right at resistance, you know what I mean? BTC still chilling, 23.9. ETH still chilling at 1830. So those are just chilling right now. It's allowing altcoins to make their moves, which is really, really nice. Really, really nice. Did we check out Atom? I was gonna check out Atom, and then I just completely forgot. All right, Atom. Let's see. Don't do TA while hungry. That's facts, man. All right, Atom. Oh, getting a big blue vector candle coming up here. Okay. Now Atom is kind of at the same point. You got upward sloping support, and hold on. Don't do. You got upward sloping support and upward sloping resistance, right? So same thing for Matic that we want to see from Chainlink, man. Right? Same thing that we want to see from Matic that we want to see for Chainlink. All right, now we saw from Chainlink. Chainlink blasted that, rocketed, as it says in the title, rocketed that rising wedge resistance. Now we want to see Atom be able to rocket out of that rising wedge resistance. This is still a bearish pattern, but if it breaks up this, that just shows that crypto does not give a flying F about what you think about it right now. If you think a certain way,
Rant alert.
crypto does not give a flying F what you think about it. All right, it doesn't. As long as the DXY is dumping, which the DXY is dumping right now, DXY is finally breaking that upward sloping support, finally breaking the 50 EMA, getting a nice dump to the downside. Okay. As long as the NASDAQ can relatively stay up here, it looks like you are coming down a little bit on a couple of these. But as long as those, you're right at the 200 EMA on the S&P, and the NASDAQ coming up to that 200 SMA. Sorry, the 200 EMA. So you got to get back above those. But as long as those stay relatively flat, not too shabby at the moment. Bitcoin 23.8 still chilling, and ETH still chilling. But yeah, you want to see Matic break up. If that does, I mean, right here, I mean, 1224. That's just the big level you got to watch here for Atom, man. After that, I mean, you go to the daily. Let's see. I mean, after that in the daily, I mean, there's not much. There's not much until about 1477, which is previous highs all the way back here from 2021, right? So that's not too shabby there for Atom, assuming that Bitcoin can hold up here. Assuming Bitcoin can hold up. What's going on, Mr. Mario? Mr. Mario became a member. What's going on, buddy? Good to have you in the chat, my man. Let's see. The higher the bounce, the larger the rate hike in 5 weeks. Yeah, I guess we got 5 weeks. That's very true. See what else you guys are saying in the chat, man. Facts, Mike. Mike said, when Jordan is about to look at your coin and then he gets sidetracked right at that moment, is so frustrating. It's so true, man. I always get so sidetracked. I swear I have ADHD or something like that. I swear I do. I mean, I guess that's what makes me who I am. But at the same point, it's slightly frustrating for myself too, because a lot of times I forget what I'm talking about, and I'm like, dude, shut the hell up. Stop talking for 2 seconds. Think, and finish what you were doing before. It's slightly frustrating, man. Matic is doing a retest of its breakout from its rising wedge. Yeah, we saw that from Matic a little bit earlier. Matic from its breakout of the rising wedge. Yeah. We looked at that a little bit earlier. So yeah, we want to see Matic still break to the upside here. Still hasn't really gotten anywhere. Alex C say, can you do Link? We checked Link. Link's kind of just chilling. Looks like everything's kind of just chilling at the moment. Bitcoin is just chilling like a villain here on this beautiful, beautiful Wednesday so far. See if it continues. But there are some good signs, man. I'm liking this DXY dump here. I think that's the biggest sign of the day. Like, we can get excited about crypto and get excited about, altcoins coming up. But the big thing is that the DXY can continue to break down here. That's the big thing that we want to see. Is the DXY just continuing to come down to the downside here. That's critical for us here if we want to see a sustained rally. All right, so let's see. BNB at 200 day. Let's check out BNB. BM Bizzle in the chat. How many likes we got, guys? Smack up that like button for your boy. Let's hit 500 likes on the morning stream. I think we can do it easily. I think we can kill the likes. 500 likes on today's stream. Let's freaking get busy. All right? Let's freaking get busy. By the way, any of you guys watch the video on my other on my channel, on my second channel? Basically, I'm be uploading videos over there. If you guys want to subscribe, it's Jordan Crypto. Okay, it's not Jordan Camirand Crypto, it's Jordan Crypto. I'll be uploading just shorter videos over there where if you don't have time to watch the streams, I'll be posting different types of content over there, depending on what my mood is that day. But yeah, you see it over there. All right. Let's just hang out on BTC for a second. Just allowing some of the shorter term indicators to kind of reset here. ETH 1831. ETH on the 15 minute, just kind of chilling, guys. GRT. I haven't looked at GRT in a hot minute. Let's go check out GRT. Let's see. When OnlyFans? Well, I think the only thing I can put on OnlyFans is my feet, man. Because I got some sexy ass feet. Some sexy ass feet. You know why? Because I kick bears in the nuts with my feet. That's why. Where's my bear nuts? I kick bears in the nuts. Where are they? There it is. Boom! Kick that bear in the nuts. Okay? Should we do it one more time for old time's sake? Boom! In the nuts. Alright, so GRT. Yeah, still hasn't really gotten anywhere yet. 4 hour. Let's check the nice juicy 4 hour, man. The nice juicy 4 hour time frames. Yeah, GRT really hasn't gotten really anywhere important just yet. Doesn't mean it can't. You had slightly lower lows, higher lows on the price action. That was a nice bullish divergence. Pushed you to the upside. Probably was a nice retrace too. Let's see. Yeah, nice 0.5 retrace. You know, can we continue up higher here? Let's zoom in a little bit more here. Let's see what we got going. Looks like you did break out with some volume. See that vector candle popping up? That means you got volume coming in. So you actually did break the down. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. It looks like the hourly did break out. Now you're getting the back test. What are you back testing? You're back testing this previous high right here. Okay? Which was pretty much the first hit, the rise, second hit, come back up, retrace. Now you want to see the continuation to the upside. In theory. In definitely theory. If you want to know targets, you just bring up your fib. You retrace to the 0.5. I would say the 786 is probably the next big level I'd watch. Which is at like 15.2 cents. All right, but you know, GRT, short term did break out, but now you just want to see the retest and the continuation. Know what I mean? Let's see. BNB rug pull. Where's BNB? Dude, look at BNB, man. Listen, and remember I told you guys the other day, if BNB can break out right here, that's going to show the bullishness of the crypto market. You guys remember I said that the other day? Because BNB had so many resistance points coming in right here. You had a rising wedge resistance, which you're still at, by the way. You also had the 200-day EMA coming in right here. You also had the horizontal resistance coming in right here, right, from across here. And you also had the all-time high resistance line coming all the way down, coming in right here. It looks like BNB, as of right now, depending on what we do for the rest of the day, right, a lot can change. If Bitcoin doesn't want to continue up here, BNB can come right back down. But as it stands, assuming we close up here, BNB looks like it does not give a flying F what anyone cares about it. It doesn't give a flying F it's at resistance at the current moment. All right? Now, we got to get a pump song going for BNB because that's a big level that BNB is breaking right now, man. All right? But we got to see continuation of the pattern. Okay? We got to see a close above the pattern, man. All right? Here we go. Let's get it. Shiba Inu. Guys, should we look at Shiba Inu? We could. I have no problem with Shiba Inu. The only two dog coins I'll look at, rule, is Shiba and Doge. Okay? They're top 20 coins. I mean, I think you gotta look at them, you know? Come on, man. Come on. Let's get it. But no, BNB not looking too shabby. Bitcoin's still chilling. ETH's still chilling. You guys need a new Discord link? All right, new Discord link, new Discord link, new Discord link. Let's see. It's crazy. Those Discord links just like fly through, man. They fly through the woodwork like crazy. Let's see. Let me get edit invite link, generate new link. Here's new Discord, man. Paste. Is it gonna let me paste? Okay, I guess you're not gonna let me paste. Hold on again. I'm getting the Discord link. Invite peeps. Edit link. Generate new link. Copy link. Not chain link. We're not talking about chain link, man. Discord 1. Discord 2. Discord 3. Discord 4. Yeah, there's the Discord link, man. If you want to join, get in there. Congratulations, my friends. And one more time. There we go. Congratulations, my friends. All right, well, let's get rid of that for now. Let's go back to BTC. All right, now we wait. Now we wait for Bitcoin's next move, man. Now we wait. Now we wait. Looks like Gala's getting that move. Let's go check out Gala. Here comes Gala. Right? Just go back over those previous 4 daily highs. We still gotta get back over 6.6, but Gala's starting to come back up now. That's good stuff. Dude, Uni's going nuts. Uni at resistance. 927 for Uni. Uni right at its resistance, man. Like we said, next target is 1107 if it can break 939. That is not too shabby whatsoever. Uni's going nuts, man. Uni's another one where I was like, I'm gonna wait for a dip. I'm gonna wait for a dip. I'm gonna wait for a dip. And it just it doesn't want to give it to me, man. And you guys know me, I'm not gonna FOMO. Okay? I'm the only coins I will buy at the moment are the ones that haven't truly broken out yet. The ones that haven't really truly broken out in my mind, Solana hasn't really truly broken out. I still think Solana is a good opportunity if you kind of miss the boat at the current moment, depending on what you think Bitcoin's going to do. Okay, it's only if you think Bitcoin's going to continue up. Keep that in mind. I think Solana's at a good level. To be fair, I actually think SHIB's at a good level. I think Doge is at a good level still. I still think Cardano's still at a good level in my opinion. Right? So there's still some coins that are at good levels. And I mean, to be fair, I actually still think Gala's at a good level too. If you want sort of a lower cap, I think Gala's at a good level as well. There's a lot of altcoins that really haven't truly broken out yet. Okay? There's some you probably want to stay away from. I mean, not stay away from, but just be slightly careful. Like ETH is mooned. Right, Link's already mooned, AVAX has already kind of came up, Matic's already kind of came up, you know, BNB's already mooned, Uni's already mooned, right? So there's a lot of them have already moved up, but there's some that haven't really truly broken out yet. Rodney said Dash. Let me look at Dash for Rodney here. Let me look at Dash. I just saw Bitcoin's trying to come back up too. Let's see. All right, Bitcoin's right at resistance here. It's a 5-minute time frame, but it is what it is. At least we can look at it. All right, Bitcoin's right at resistance. And if I go to ETH on the same time frame. Let's see what ETH's trying to do here. Looks like ETH is trying to break out as we speak. ETH 1837. It's reset to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes got room to run on like the super short-term time frame. Bitcoin chilling right at resistance. ETH has broken out in the 5-minute. Is it going to see a pump? Let's see. Let's see. Once again, it's just the 5-minute time frame, so take it for what you will. Dash, yeah, Dash hasn't broken out yet. Dash is still at a good point. Dash is still below its previous lows. You know what I mean? So, I mean, if you like Dash, I think that's at a good point, man. I mean, you're literally looking at from the December 2019 lows for the most part. It's actually pretty sad. Dash is at the same point it was in the last bear market still. It is what it is. It kind of reminds me of XRP. XRP is another one, right? If you like XRP, XRP is literally at the previous bear market, pretty much at the previous bear market lows. Not quite, but you know, from 2019. So keep that in mind. So yeah, XRP is another one if you're looking for that one that hasn't broken out yet. All right, here comes ETH, man. Here comes ETH. Here comes BTC. Come on, man. Someone said Dash is trash. Hey, I'm not going to call it. Rodney likes Dash. Okay, I'm not a big Dash guy. I hope it does well for Rodney, though, okay? Because Rodney's the homie. All right, so 1841. Here we go. Here comes ETH. What we don't want to see is an M formation. What we want to see is just the continued rise. So watch out for this right here. Okay? So right now you have... Did you make some bearish div on that? Yeah, you got slight bearish div on the 5-minute. Keep that in mind. It's a 5-minute chart, but it is what it is. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's see. Let's see, man. We're not going to get too excited until ETH breaks the highs. And even then, be careful. Because they could just come up, make a slightly higher high, just to rip it back down to the downside. Bitcoin. Still chilling at 23.87. So another, Bitcoin's not doing much, but ETH is coming back up to the highs. Let's see what we got. Yeah, be careful of the M formation here. Exactly. Be careful of the M. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What about Algo? Algo? I concede. I'm longing. JBH, be careful. You're going to long now? I think it's a little bit more risky to long now. I will say that. I will say that. The time to long was yesterday, even though I don't like to trade any type of news like that. All right, so here, so you see Bitcoin just came back down, back tested. Is it going to have enough juice to continue back up now? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, ETH looks so sexy on the weekly, man. ETH looks so sexy on the weekly. Guys, I listen. I'm not going to get too moonboyish, but I got to show you guys this again, man. I don't think it's going to play out word for word, apples to apples, oranges to oranges, pears to bears. But look at the ETH fractal, man. Listen, like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, it just keeps going up on the weekly. I didn't make this. Okay? I didn't make the price action like this. So don't come at me. But so far, so good on this. So far, so freaking good. All right? We're coming up to that bull market support band on ETH. And we know, I mean, go back in the past, whenever ETH has gotten above that bull market support band, as my guy Ben Cowan would say, we've gone on a pretty nice run. We got to get back above it and hold it as support. But yeah, man, I mean, take it for what you will, man. Take it for what you will. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. All right? I don't think it's going to do this, by the way. It's not going to do this. I mean, no, I'm going to keep saying it, so maybe it does happen. It's not going to do this, guys, okay? I promise. It's not going to do this. I am almost 100% certain it's not going to do this. But so far, it is coming up like this. Is it the expanded flat or something like that? All right, here comes Bitcoin, 24K. Here comes ETH, 1843. I like ETH can get it. This is the first test of it, though. Yeah. All right, here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. Be careful here, guys. Careful for the M formation. Don't get too excited until we get a little bit higher here. All right, here comes ETH, 1852. Holy moly. All right, be careful of the M formation still. They can just wick it right back down to the downside, guys. Bitcoin, 24.59, allowing altcoins to do their thing right now. All right, let's see, 18.51. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna wait a couple more seconds to see if this holds, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna get ahead of it here. 18.52. Here we go, man. Here we go. Look at the DXY just continuing to dump, man. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Let's see what ETH does here. All right, yeah, we got the wick down, so that's why you gotta wait. Be careful, right? Be careful. That's why I was waiting and not getting ahead of myself. Let's see if it comes back up. Let's see. It might be pumping up just to come right back down, just to come back up again. Sometimes you'll see this right at resistance, right? You'll come up, you come back down again, test it again, until you really start breaking those sell order bids up here. Okay? So, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Beautiful, happy days. Wait it out, man. Wait it out. Wait it out. We wicked above the first time. Let's see on the second test if we can get back above there. Bitcoin, still chilling too. Still just chilling. Like a damn villain. ETH is crashing now. That's what you said like 20 minutes ago, man. I love everyone that every single little dip, like you get like this one, like you're not even, you get this like 0.01% dip,
Rant alert.
and then you get the bears coming in. Oh, look, it's crashing. After it pumped 10% already on the day. 0.01% dip. Oh, look at it. I told you it's crashing now. Oh, God. You got to love it.
Rant alert.
1843. Here we go. Here they come. Here they all come. They all say dump it. Let's see what they do. Let's see what ETH does. Let's see what ETH does. Let's see what we do here, man. Weekly chart crossing for BTC. You kicked my chart. Oh, God. BTC is following ETH. Yo, dude, ETH is daddy right now. ETH is the daddy of the market. If ETH pumps, BTC pumps. I've been telling you guys. ETH is my home. ETH is my number one. For a reason, man. Been trying to tell people this, bro. Every time. ETH is dead. ETH is dead. ETH is dead. Yet, it has a super high market cap, and it still pumps like a freaking low cap alt, man. So I've always said, ETH to me is as far as risk versus reward, is the best one to hone, in my opinion. Because it's relatively safer, it's higher market cap than all the other ones, but it still pumps like a freaking altcoin, man. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. All right, so BTC still, come on, BTC. Come on, ETH. Man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Let's see. XRP. Anything else coming up? Let's see. Uni. Uni is still at the highs. Looks like everything. All coins are kind of, looks like they're just kind of chilling. Link, still chilling. AVAX, still chilling. Matic. Is Matic trying to break out? Let's go to the 4 hour on Matic. Matic's still right at resistance. So Matic hasn't quite broken out just yet, guys. ETH's in beast mode. For now. Let's see what we got. BTC chilling. BlackRock is bidding, guys. Time to FOMO in. I don't know about that. That's a little bit of speculation. You know what I mean? That's a little speculation. Matic. Gala's starting to come back up. Here we go. 6% on Gala. Gala's come up to test its local highs. If that breaks, 6.6 is on the way. Doge still chilling, man. SHIB still chilling. BNB just continues to not give a shit about anything. ADA starting to come up now. 5%. I'm looking for some of these that haven't moved to really start moving, man. Especially as ETH and BTC are just chilling. So right now we have the formation of an M formation. Right? We saw the big wick up here on ETH on the 5-minute time frame. Second hit, wicked up. A couple rejections here on ETH. So, like I said, be careful until you see a little bit more momentum above the highs. Because what they love to do on these tops, granted it's the 5-minute chart, they love to spike it up, come back down, spike it up slightly higher, get people to FOMO in, and then spike it right back down. We know how this works, okay? We know how this freaking works. Who will grab the liquidity first? Might be time to short. Listen, man. Listen. Listen, man. I am not going to short right now, okay? I am not going to short, especially with the news that we got today. I am not shorting. I'm not shorting with the DXY dumping, okay? I'm not shorting with the NASDAQ up 2% on the day, S&P up 2% on the day, okay? I am not shorting and then breaking important levels. It's not even just about crypto. That's the reason I am not touching any shorts. You know, a short-term short, okay, maybe it comes back down again, you know. But, you know, any type of long-term short, I'm not touching at the moment, man. Maybe we come back down. But I think for me, that's a little risky in my opinion. A little risky in my opinion. You can't spike down. Celsius, please. Celsius is pumping. Dude, why is Celsius? Everyone try to liquidate those Celsius shorts, dude. Let's go check out Celsius. Celsius. Oh my lord, man. Pump song on Celsius. You're liquidating the shorts. Here you go. That's how you know. Crypto when Celsius is pumping. That's how you know. There it is, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, my friends. Right? So 230 on Celsius. Same thing. Bearish div, man. Bearish div until proven otherwise. You got higher highs and you got lower highs. I mean, kind of conflicting signals. You got the 4-hour stocks crossing up, but you got bearish divergence on the RSI. Pretty strong bearish divergence too. Okay? You know, listen, the move might not be over, man. The move might not be over here. So you can't assume that the move is over. You've got to wait until you get some type of red candle coming in on the 4-hour to confirm any type of bearish divergence. Because the move could continue up, the RSI could continue up and be nullified. But it's there. It's definitely there, man. I mean, Celsius is going nuts. I mean, it is what it is, bro. Celsius is going nuts. I would say this. On Celsius, I'd watch out for 280 next. Because you smack the 200-day EMA. I would look for 280. E still chilling. BTC still chilling. By the way, guys. So Celsius going nuts. Going absolutely nuts. Be careful there. Be careful. Very, very careful there. Daily RSI is a little bit overshot as well. Time to pay yourself? Yeah, it's one you pay yourself, man. I mean, if you bought Celsius down here, you're up about 5x on a project that shit the bed not too long ago. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. Mario, what's up, buddy? He said 8. Bought the dip for some type of action in this boring market. Still hodling 17K buys, though. And can I get a Hoya? Hoya, Mario. Hoya, my friend. All right, let's go check out 8. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, by the way. Okay? Make sure you're subscribed. We're getting close to 70K. We got to hit 70K, man. We got to hit 70K. Right? We're getting awfully close. All right, Ape. Let's see what we got on Ape coin. Ape's performed pretty well on this until proven otherwise. I guess bear market rally until proven otherwise. It's in this channel. Okay, I mean, just like we talked about for so many of these alts, you want to break out of these. Okay, like we saw from Link, like we saw from BNB, like we've seen from a lot of these alts, right? You want to break out of these. I don't even know. I wouldn't even call this a bear flag anymore. It's too long to be a bear flag. Like when the bear flag is longer than the pole, it's not a bear flag anymore. So there you go. I mean, you got to assume if you just look at what Ape is doing at the moment, you're pretty much just turning your previous resistance, which is right here, came back down, tested as support, took this yellow vector candle, wicked right to the bottom of the yellow vector candle. I got to assume it comes back up and at least test the top of this again. Right back up to 834-ish. That's what I got to assume. All right? So take that for what you will. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, man. The 4 hours oversold. And now you just kind of had that slight deviation. I mean, it's been the same time. I mean, look at the pattern the whole time for 8, man. You dump below the previous lows. Slight deviation, you pump. You dump below the previous lows. Slight deviation. Right? Previous lows, slight deviation, you pump. You did again, man. It's a lot of these keep doing the same thing. Previous lows, you dump, get everyone bearish, slight deviation, you pump. It's literally the same thing over and over and over again. That's it. It's all about, lately, I mean, notice about crypto, it's all about the deviation plays. You see deviations to the upside, deviations to the downside, and they're just giant fake outs. Right now, you're seeing the deviations to the downside. Okay? So I'm expecting Ape, as long as Bitcoin can stay relatively strong, to continue back up to the top of this channel. And hopefully break out of the top of the channel. You know? That's it. Alright, let's see. Bitcoin chilling. ETH, wick to the downside, now trying to come back up again. ETH ain't showing no chill right now, man. ETH ain't showing no chill. Holy moly. We're going to stay on for a little bit longer. Coleman Meyer said you are not correct. Based off what, Coleman? Tell me what I am not correct about. Tell me, Coleman. Tell me.
Rant alert.
Tell me, Coleman. I love when people come in the chat just to say, you were not correct. Like everyone's always correct, man. Like it's ridiculous. Why is your hair like that? Why is my hair like this? Because it's juicy, man. The new haircut is juicy. All right, here comes ETH again. I'm still seeing it. What gets me excited about this pump, man, and why I think,
Rant
you know,
alert.
the whole reason that my Gymborees have kind of been tingling for the last couple weeks is because I'm on this whole move up for crypto the last couple weeks. All I've seen is saltiness, man. I've seen people mad that the price is going up. Okay? When I see people mad, it's crypto, man. Everyone should be hyped when the price goes up. But when I see, not everyone, but when I see like over half the people be mad that the prices are going up, that gives me a feeling in my Gymborees. Okay? It does. And I'm still seeing it. I'm still seeing disbelief. I'm still seeing people doubting this move. Okay? And then, but when I start seeing everyone thinking that this is we're back to a bull market, that's when I get bearish. But I'm still seeing a lot of negativity on this move, man. Especially on crypto Twitter. Not even so much on YouTube. Crypto Twitter, every single big trader was bearish yesterday, and they all got wrecked, man. They all announced their shorts on Twitter, and they all got wrecked today. Okay? It is what it is. I mean, no one's perfect, okay? But that's why I've got this feeling I'm in Gymborees, because I'm seeing saltiness that the price is moving up. You know what I mean? Let's see. They were told by the bears that prices would fall. They are not doing TA. They are hostage to the ego. True. True. What the hell is a Gymboree? It's your balls, man. You want me to keep it real? It's your balls. It's literally your balls, bro. That's it. Becker sold all portfolio. Yeah, but what I like about Becker though is Becker actually sold his whole portfolio, but even him, he's being positive about the market, right? He still thinks it's going to go higher. So that's what I like about Becker, at least. Let's see. So all your balls get tingly? Yes. Yes. And like I said, a lot of people will hate me for saying that, but I'm just speaking the truth. When people get salty that the price goes up, that means they're not in position, or or they're short. You know, it's one of the two. You know what I mean? If you were in a position, you wouldn't be salty that the price was going up. Anyways, let's see. So ETH is just chilling. Bitcoin just chilling, bro. That's what we're waiting on right now. Let's see. Uni's up. I mean, Near's the big one right now. Near's up almost 10%. Uniswap's up about 10.5%. Rodney, you called it, man. Rodney, you did an awesome job, bro. That's your meaning, Gymboree does not mean balls? It does for me. It does for me. DXY is still dumping? Look at the DXY, bro. This is nice. This is nice. We got to see where we close today. But I told you, if this closes right here, that's super bullish, man. This is a trend line that you can extend that really the DXY has not broken since really the beginning of this bear market, right? It's just been a constant parabolic uptrend. It looks to be like it's breaking that parabolic uptrend to the downside. That's it. It's on almost 1.5%. That's a crazy day for the dollar to drop 1.5%, man. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. NASDAQ and S&P just continue to rise here. NASDAQ continuing up almost 2.5 on the day. We'll see. We'll see if it continues though. You know what I mean? Scare money don't make no money. You were knocking my Flux and it did 20% today. Let's see. Let's go look at Flux. Flux. Oh, Drew, let's get it, man. You already happened. We're gonna celebrate for Drew. Let's get it. Come on. Ah. Just remember, this guy is streaming in his underwear. You know it, bro. Hey, but listen, I'm a firm believer that you don't need to look professional to be smart, okay? You don't need a freaking tux to be smart. Do you see what Elon Musk wears every day? Do you see what Jeff Bezos wears every day? They wear damn t-shirts. Do you see what Vitalik wears every day? I mean, you don't need to wear... That's why, to me, I'm gonna be honest. So when I see people wear a shirt and tie when they don't need to me it looks somewhat tacky. That's just my opinion. If you need to because of your job, because they force you to do it, I get it. But if you don't need to and you do it, you come off as a sleazy salesman. That's just my opinion, man. That's all it is. Take it for what you will. Let's see. People will disagree with me, but it is what it is. All right, so BTC is coming back up. Team T-shirt, here's what it is. When you're wearing a tux and you don't need to, if you're wearing a shirt and tie but you don't need to, it just looks like you're trying to, like you said, it looks like you're trying to flex. I ain't trying to flex. I tell you guys I stream in my underwear. Like, I'm over here acting as Jabba and Horse Guy. I don't give a shit. That's just my opinion. Mixing in a pair of jeans, though, might not be a bad idea. That's also facts. That's also facts. That's also facts, bro. Let's see. Stumbledore became a member. What's up, Stumbledore? Stumbledore said, feeling good but about most investments. Then gonna go down to a double bottom. Then blast off. Get the O faces ready. Yeah, I still expect us to make a double bottom at some point. I don't think it's now. I still think we got momentum to the upside. Here comes ETH. Come on, man.
Strap up. We're going
Come
to the
on.
moon.
Here we go. Did we check out 8 for my guy Mario? Forget. No, but Flux for Drew. Flux going nuts. Already went nuts today. Yeah, right now it's hitting looks like the previous daily high, so you're probably gonna find some resistance there. Got slight bearish div on the daily. Move's not over yet, though. So I'm not gonna count on that one being done. Yeah, I mean you're right at the previous high, so you're getting resistance there. Coming across. ETH just chilling at the highs, 1848. BTC kind of just chilling as well at the moment. See what these guys do. True Classic Tees. True Classic Tees. You gotta love True Classic Tees. I'm actually wearing right now, man. I'm wearing a black True Classic Tees. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Who's out here wearing a tux for fun? Pay yourself or get fluxed. That's a good one, bro. That's a good one. All right, 23.93. All right, guys. I think, I think we pretty much. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything here. Stumbledore, I definitely agree with you. I do think we're gonna make it. I still think we're gonna see 20K again at some point. Like I said, I don't think it's now. I think we continue up higher in the short term, but I do think a double bottom is usually what always crypto does. But is it not going to do it because that's what it always does? Who the frick knows, man? You know what I mean? The top wasn't the same, so who do we know that the bottom is going to be the same? We have no idea. We have zero idea, all right? So, all right, guys, I'm going to call it a stream here. Just be careful. Like, I'm going to be honest. And though we're getting excited, we are getting excited. This is the whole point of the stream right now.
Alert.
We're getting excited. Because we're seeing a lot of altcoins go nuts. Bitcoin, it's a good day, 4%. Yada, yada, yada. Until Bitcoin breaks, until Bitcoin breaks above 24,600, stay relatively grounded. We need to see Bitcoin continue up and not just get rejected at the same point it has once, twice, 3 times. Until Bitcoin breaks this point, do not get too exuberant. Do not be FOMOing if you already haven't gotten into the markets, okay? And just stay grounded here. Don't get too exuberant. Don't get too in arms about this move up. If you see Bitcoin start to move back up and we get into this range up here, okay, then you can start getting, a little bit more confident about this move. But just stay grounded for now, all right? I'll catch you guys at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are there. If you're not there, I'll be very upset. Very, very upset. We're going to have fun tonight. Jabba, Horse Guy, Bob, all our good friends. Who are going to be either slightly salty or slightly happy, man. All right, so take it easy. Take it easy, my friends. Don't do anything I want to. Don't panic sell your crypto. Most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. But don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies until proven otherwise. All right? Adios, guys. Peace out.